Hey there, and welcome back. Let's talk about a mistake that slows down so many intermediate AutoCAD users. Not customizing your keyboard shortcuts. Sure, the default ones work, but if you are still relying on them, you are definitely wasting time. AutoCAD comes with a set of default shortcuts, just like L for line, C for circle, and M for move. Right. They are fine when you are learning, but over time, your workflow becomes more repetitive. You start using commands just like boundary or overkill multiple times a day. Typing them out every time or hunting for them in the ribbon is slow and unnecessary. Yet many users never stop to think, hey, can I make this faster? Not customizing shortcuts is like using your phone in factory setting forever. It works, but it isn't tailored to you. AutoCAD is a professional tool, and professionals customize their tools to fit how they work. There is good news. You can create or modify shortcuts in AutoCAD using the CUI, the Customize User Interface. Let's walk through a simple example. Let's say you often work with complex drawings that have overlapping or duplicate objects, just like multiple lines, polylines, or hatches stacked on top of each other. These duplicates can cause issues with file size, printing, and performance. The overkill command is a powerful cleanup tool in AutoCAD that removes overlapping objects automatically. Typing overkill takes 8 keystrokes, which adds up if you use it, frequently. Here's how to assign it a shortcut key. First, type CUI and press enter to open the Customize User Interface dialog. In the command list, search for overkill. Okay. Drag overkill into the keyboard shortcuts and shortcut keys section. Assign a shortcut key that's easy to remember and not in use. Click OK and save your workspace. Now, whenever your drawing has messy overlapping objects, just press and run overkill instantly. This saves time, keeps your drawings clean, and boosts your workflow efficiency.